Okay, cousins, I don't know if you remember me telling you about us being homeless for 6 months last year and losing all of our stuff that we had accumulated over the course of 15 years of us being in a relationship and married together. But as a family of 6 with a support pet, we are getting all of our stuff back. Now, on flip, I decided because my kids we were finally able, from all of you guys helping us and watching our videos, we were able to go ahead and get them off of the floor, out of the air mattress era, and having mattresses, but then they were still on the floor. And you guys kept supporting our content, and now I have a wonderful surprise to share with you. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so the kids now have bunk beds, and all of their bedding, I mean all the sheets, because we didn't have anything, came off of Flip. So if you're not connected to me on Flip, make sure you visit Welcometothenashhousebydomi.com and scroll down and say see my desired gift, and it'll take you right to our Flip account, and you can go ahead and follow. When I tell you these sheets are amazing and the kids love them. We just wanted to say thank you. We're so grateful for you guys watching our content from beginning to end and engaging on it with engaging comments to help us earn to rebuild our family's life. So thank you. Welcome to the Nash house. Bye, guys.